everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. To prime my eyes, I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I used a lighter shade because I am using it as a base, so I used the shade Cotton Candy, and I just applied it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I went ahead and set everything with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Flutterby palette from ColourPop, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I really love this palette, and I actually really like all the palettes from ColourPop, and this isn't sponsored. I just like using their palettes. I feel like they have really good pigmentation and they're affordable. So the first shade that I went in with is Made to Last, and it's a really cool tone light brown shade, and I just put that in my crease going in back and forth motions and circular motions as my transition shade. Next, I went in with Cha-Cha Changes, and it's a little bit of a deeper matte brown shade than the shade that I previously went in with. And I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease, a little bit above my actual crease. And then going back into that first transition shade, once again, I'm just going to be blending that line out. And the reason why I like to create such a harsh line at first is because it really lays out the map for where I want to add depth. So when I go in with the deeper eyeshadows, it's a lot easier because I have already created a guide. Next, I went in with Angel Baby, and it's a little bit of a even deeper matte brown shade, but it does have a little bit of a kind of like a cranberry undertone, so I just put that directly over the previous shades, also creating that line of depth. And then I went into that first transition shade, and I continue to blend everything out to make it nice and seamless. And then I went back into Angel Baby, and I started to add depth on the outer corner of my lid, just to add a little bit more dimension to the look. And then for all over the lid, I grabbed my Dose of Colors collaboration with Disney, and it's the deepest glitter liner. I believe they came out with 3, and this is the darkest one. I'll try to link it, but I do believe that it was a limited edition collection, but I'll try to link it. And I just applied it all over the lid. Any glitter, I really love glitter liners for the lid because it just makes it super easy. You don't have to apply glitter glue, there's no fallout. Next, I went in with the Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner, and I just created that wing. And then going in with my lashes, I went in with the Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bora Bora. And these are one of my favorite styles. They're nice and flirty and long, but you could see through the lashes. They're not too thick. I'll link those down below as well. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I grabbed that first transition shade and I just put that on the lower lashes, mainly focusing it on the outer edge. And the last thing that I did was I applied some mascara to my lower lashes, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!